Hey guys, today we're going to take our final look at our 1965 Santa Fe travel trailer. As you can see, the past 6 months we have been we painted it, we renovated it, we have painted on the inside and the outside, and we've been really working hard to make it look good. And let's take a look at it the day we picked it up. Alright guys, now let's take a look on the inside. Well guys, first of all I want to give thanks to my family, my friends, especially my son Henrique, who's helped me out going through the process of painting it and renovating our 65 trailer. And we had a lot of fun. We already went on a few trips, and we've gone to even as far as Lake Havasu. So take a look at some of these clips of our trip to Lake Havasu.
Steve, Cristiane, Rosa Samara, Helen, Henrique.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take a final look at our 1965 travel trailer. Let's do that. Well, first of all, I want to give thanks to my family, my friends, and also my son, Enrique, who has... Alright, hang on. Okay, here we go on 3, 2...